Hey everyone, I'm Alex Orchilles from Aeon Prestige Media, and today I'll be talking about a few things that I wish I knew before I started my video production and photography company. These different lessons can be applied to all kinds of businesses, so don't think that this is limited to just video and photo. The first lesson is the fact that work is not just going to arrive at your doorstep. It takes a large amount of networking, posting on social media, and reaching out to potential clients. For the first few years of starting my company, I'd wonder why it was so slow and why I was not getting too many clients. It's because I wasn't putting in the time to reach out to people who I wanted to work with. There are many ways to reach out to clients, whether it be email, phone calls, speaking to the owner of local businesses, networking events, or even posting online to get work. If you're selling a product or a service, chances are someone is in need of it. Do your research and figure out what has the best results in getting paying customers. The second lesson is to always use contracts. This means contracts with employees, freelancers, and clients. These contracts should cover all of the agreed terms between transactions to make sure that everyone involved is on the same page and all aspects are clear. Whether they are terms of payment, delivery dates, or other specifics, they are 100% crucial for the success of your business. Don't let yourself get screwed over. The third lesson is to invest in high quality gear. In my case, it means cameras, lenses, tripods, backpacks, lights, computers, etc. But in other companies, it can be technology from a good internet connection to computers. Or if it's a clothing store, a high quality manufacturer, or a more expensive website designer. If you try to take the cheap or inexpensive route, you will most likely end up failing or having to pay more in the end. For instance, I've purchased multiple different camera bags in the past for a relatively low price. All of these camera bags have ended up in the garbage because they end up breaking. Instead of purchasing my current bag 5 years ago, I ended up spending way more money on multiple cheaper camera bags. If I would have just purchased the one I currently have, I would have never run into any issues. The fourth lesson is that it's okay to hire other freelancers to deliver what the client is looking for. For instance, if a client needs an animation for their logo, but you don't know how to create animations, find someone in your area or online that you can hire for this specific task. This way, you're not limiting your business to your skill set. It's completely fine to accept gigs and then hire them out as long as you're delivering a quality product. The fifth and final lesson that I wish I knew before I started my company is that free work is not a waste of time. I've done more free gigs than I can count, but a large amount of those have resulted in paid productions and even long-term relationships. In my eyes, it's better to go on set for free than to be sitting at home not doing anything to help your career. I hope you learned a few things today so you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did in the past. If you have any other important lessons or tips that you'd like to share, please comment them below. Thanks for watching.